Namaste. Today I am going to speak to you about the right speech and the wrong speech. I humbly invoke the blessings of my teacher, Gopalakrishnan, and the Gurus to guide me in this video series. Now, what is about the speech? Why it is so important? In Tamil, there is a saying: "What you speak, you cannot remove it. It is always goes and sticks in the aura and the chakra." Now, is it really true? Yes. Once my teacher told me if in the horoscope a particular planet or the Lord is afflicted, whatever you speak, it comes as arrows, broken glass, and that goes and hits you. That's why you feel the pain when the other person is speaking. For that other person, he will not have the awareness. He will say, "It is just I'm speaking, I'm telling you the truth." But no, speech is very, very important. We have learned from him something called law of mouth. You would have seen it in your life. What is law of mouth? We tell something, we cannot do it. So speech is very, very important aspect of life. What is about the right speech and the wrong speech? Right speech is called the blessings. Many people have forgotten to go into the right speech. Why? Because when you do the right speech, or we call it as a blessings, there's lot of divine pour of energy. It might be small because our energy will be very less, or after a ritual our energy can be high. As you are doing lot of right speech or like lot of blessings around the people who are with you, there is going to be lot of divine flow of energy for them. What happens is their mind opens up. There is at a particular moment some good things will come into their mind. The internal guidance opens up, and when you do the blessings over a period of time, what you're blessing, they tend to do the same thing. That's why the right speech or the blessing is very, very important. If you see the North Indian tradition, everybody will fall at the feet of the elders and they say "Sukhi raho, sukh raho," which means be good, be happy.
ॐ तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे पूर्णगच्छते सिंहरासो जातस्य शत्रुदयाय धीमहि तन्नो स्कन्दः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा।
mom used to say, what I am doing is only for the good of my son or my daughter. No, speech is very, very difficult. You have to be very careful when you are speaking. Either what you speak negative, it just twist and you will be experiencing the same thing what you are telling to others, or whatever you tell it to your son or daughter, saying in the name of me clearing their karma or making them better, they will become like that and it will be very painful for you to see that. So be careful with your speech, positive or negative speech. I would say speak less or speak diligently, because like Buddha says, one of the important things for the growth and especially spiritual growth is rightful speech. So be careful when you are using the negative speech. Use diligently the positive speech, so that when you appreciate, you are appreciated. When you see the good things in others, people start seeing the good things in you. So kindly watch more of my video series. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.